Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike from the Focus Garage here, and in today's video I want to tell you about a little trip that I did to go-karting. Now where did I go go-karting? I went go-karting at Andretti Go-Karting in Schaumburg, Illinois. They've got a few of these throughout the country here, but they recently opened up one of them in the kind of western Chicagoland suburbs in Schaumburg, and I've been wanting to check it out. Now I have gone go-karting at some outdoor gas tracks. I've gone go-karting at kind of indoor electric tracks, so I'm not a go-karting pro by any means, but I have done quite a lot of different kind of go-karting setups. So like a big one that we've got here in the Chicagoland suburbs is K1. Those are electric carts, they're indoors, they've got 2 or 3 locations, a couple different track configurations, and it's pretty fun. So I wanted to see how these Andretti carts kind of compared. So in this video, you're going to kind of see some first-person footage of me driving on these carts and in these tracks, and just kind of what I thought about it and everything like that. Now, if you look up Andretti online, you'll kind of see that it maybe looks a little bit watered down, and not the carts themselves, but the way these facilities are kind of like positioned and they look. They've got like arcades and they've got laser tag and other stuff like that there, so you kind of wonder and worry if these carts are going to be kind of nerfed or anything like that. So that was my biggest fear, and let me tell you to put that fear to bed, because they are not. These are very much on par with the carts that you would experience at like K1 or something like that. These are really nice because they're brand new right now, so they're not all clapped out or anything, but also the speed is super comparable and super similar to what you kind of get at K1. The way it works is basically they're 7-minute heat sessions, so the races are 7 minutes long. You can buy them for basically $30 a race, or you can do what we did and get a 3-race special for about $70. Again, pricing very much in line with its competition. The neatest thing that this has going for it is that the tracks are 2 levels. So all of the karting that you do here, as long as you're on the adult courses, which is the red course and the yellow course, they're 2 levels tall. So that's the neatest thing about this, is that when you're out there karting, you're constantly going up and down from level 1 to level 2. And it's kind of a unique spin on, just overall go-karting. So without any further ado, we're going to jump into the footage here. Maybe I'll overlay some audio of me talking and everything about it as we're going through the racing here. But I want to let you know that if you are local to Chicagoland suburbs, you're local to Schaumburg, check it out. It is a really fun time. Honestly, I'm impressed by how much I enjoyed it. It was really good. I definitely recommend that you check it out. It's just a different kind of experience, right? I had a low expectation, a low bar for this, because I'm like, this might be a kid-focused place and not a lot of like fun tracks or fun karts or anything like that. And it kind of surprised me. It kind of blew me out of the water a little bit. So check out the footage. I'll do one kind of footage overlay here of us doing the yellow course, and then another one of us doing the red course. I'll put a caption which is which when we start the race. The second one that we do is definitely more technical than the first one. So if you're going, maybe I'd recommend doing that one, the more technical course, just because it's more fun. You feel a little bit more G-force and everything like that there. But let's check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. We'll go from there.
Here we go!